Hey, thank you so much for stopping in. Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's, and I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to help take your scallops to the next level. I absolutely love scallops. They're some of my favorite things to cook and eat, and you should definitely check out my recipe video where I teach you how to season, prepare, and pan-sear scallops to perfection. You will love it. Now, I have some U15 scallops here that I picked up right from the Heinen seafood department. U15 just means 15 of these scallops make up 1 pound. The first thing I want to do is show you a quick, easy seasoning using Two Brothers seafood seasoning. It is loaded up with spices and herbs and will absolutely elevate your scallops. What I usually do is drizzle on a little olive oil first and then heavily season with that Two Brothers seasoning, and then using a rubber spatula, just mix all the ingredients until incorporated. Now from there, you can grill them, you can broil them, or you can pan sear them. Again, check out my video for how to do that. The second thing, well, scallops aren't necessarily well marbled and loaded with fat, and we know fat can equal flavor. So a quick, easy way to do that is to wrap them up in bacon. So taking half slices, wrap them around the scallop widthwise, so around the diameter there, and then using a toothpick, stick it right through to make sure that the bacon stays in place. Next, you want to place that on a sheet tray with a rack. Then what you want to do is give a quick drizzle of olive oil and then season them up really quick with some salt. They're going under the broiler, probably going to take 14 to 15 minutes for them to cook. They should be opaque in color and the bacon will be crisped up. You do need to come back every 2 to 3 minutes and give them some flips. These look fantastic. The smell's unbelievable. And last but not least, probably my favorite, a really easy caper pan sauce. So good. Here's what you need to do. We're going to add some white wine to a pan along with some capers. We're going to cook it down until there's maybe just a tablespoon or 2 left. Then we're going to add in some cream. We're going to cook that until it becomes nice and thick. Then we're just going to slice up some unsalted butter and mix it in until it is incorporated. Then I'm going to finish with a little fresh chopped dill, a little squeeze of lemon juice, adjust any seasonings with salt and pepper, and boom, a perfect, simple, delicious caper dill pan sauce that goes incredible with these scallops. Whether you use the seasoning or the bacon wrap, this will complement all. I have so many scallops to eat and I'm beyond excited about it. We'll see you soon.